Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My complete name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, kung yung hindi pa naka-download ng YouTube app, makikita ito sa Google Play Store or Apple. If you're using Apple Android cellphone, makikita yan sa Apple Store. Kung if you're not using Apple, like any branded Android phone, you can see it in Google Play Store. Okay, my next video is about Bangko Pilipino related videos that is more on deposit quota ng Bangko Pilipino. Yes, there was a deposit quota that time. I think savings and current account 10 pesos per transaction. Okay. Pero ang aking main title is pinaka main title is kung just in case ang Bangko Pilipino ay ma-reopen for the third time na hindi napapalpak, may ibang depositor alliance na ako nakausap pero hindi majority. Ang suggestion nila, wag na magkaroon ng deposit quota. Yes, totoo yan. Kasi para lumakas. Kasi kung ikokota-kota nila, saan nila gagamitin? Bakit nagkaroon ng 10 peso deposit quota that time? Kasi ang patakaran nila dati, hindi pwede less than 10. Halimbawa, 9 peso 50 cents. Pagdating sa counter, hindi na i-honor. So, kailangan 10 peso pataas. So, ito makinig. Ako, magandang suggestion nakikita ko para lumakas at ma-improve ang Bangko Pilipino. Kailangan magkaroon ng no deposit quota. That's it. Simple lang. Pero, I will explain bakit hindi na kailangan ng quota. Kasi ang quota-quota kasi, yan ang makaka-football sa mga branches at mga branch personnel. Totoo yan. Kasi yun na nga, yung mga nangyari before sa Bangko Pilipino, kung ano yung pagkakamali nila noon, yung first and second closure, this time hindi na, babaguhin natin. Of course, pag binago na, may improvement, may outcome syempre. Yun lang. So, itong simpleng video na ito, may moral lesson sa mga depositors. Kasi, isipin mo, ikokota mo, di parang pinapatay mo ang depositors. Parang tinotorture konti. So, yun lang. No deposit quota. Basta not less than 1. By the way, piso, okay na rin. Not bad na rin. Okay. So, thank you for listening in this video. Good morning. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next Bangko Filipino related videos. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning.